Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to create a debt tracker in Notion. First, open Notion and log into your account. Once you are inside Notion, look at the left side and find the option to create a new page. Click on it. A new page will open. Now you need to create a database. Scroll down and click on the database option at the bottom. You can also click on the three dots on the page and select Table. Both ways work the same. If you click on Database, a new window will appear. Here Notion will ask if you want to start from scratch or use a template. Templates are helpful if you are new and want a ready-made table. But in this video, we will choose Empty Database so we can fully customize it. You may also see an option to use Notion AI. You can ask AI to build a database for you. This can be easier than using templates because you can directly ask AI to make changes based on your needs. For now, select Empty Database. A table will now appear on the page. At the top, give your database a name. For example, you can name it Student Loan or Debt Tracker. Now we will add properties. By default, the first column is the name of the debt. Next, add 4 or 5 text or number properties. Name them total amount, amount paid, amount remaining, and interest rate. Make sure the amount fields are set as text or numbers and formatted as currency. Next, add a date property and name it due date. This helps you track when the payment is due. Then add a status property. You can name it status. Set the options as in progress. When you fully pay the debt, you can change the status to done. Now start filling in the table. Under each amount property, enter the correct values. Select a due date if needed. You can update the amount paid and amount remaining whenever you make a payment. Your debt tracker is now ready. You can always edit or improve it as your needs change. Thanks for watching.